Alrighty, hey guys, welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis. I've been quiet because my daughter has been sick this week, so I haven't been able to do too much. So let's get right into it. On this weekly chart, it doesn't really look like I've missed, anything really. The price action is definitely sideways. Indicators are still remaining bearish, and to me, this looks like it's just on the cusp of losing all support and making another turn to the downside. The volume here also looks really grim to me as well. This daily chart is pretty interesting if you like sideways chop, which I generally do, but as you can see here, there is just so little movement in our price action that all I would have accomplished for the most part is getting chopped up. These sideways ranges require a lot of patience or just sitting out for the most part. Only thing of interest here to me is the fact that this midline is actually acting as a big resistance. The reason why this is interesting is because it's not even our range high supply. So this is a sign of weakness here, and I'd be very cautious about entering any longs. On our Ichimoku cloud real fast, we've barely even managed to reach our purple 50 EMA line here, and we're stuck in literal no man's land with, again, low to no volume. Coming down to a 4-hour chart and turning on our volume profile, we can see that there is nothing but open air below us, and the only two naked points of control that we have is one for today at 16.8 and one just above us at 17.3. I would say it's possible to sweep that. However, not breaking above it on volume would just be a sweep of liquidity, in my opinion, and would also be putting in a lower high from our peak, which doesn't bode well for the price structure. Switching over to our week's liquidity heat map brought to you by highblockcapital.com, we're definitely closer to eating through this liquidity that's below us that ranges down to about 16.3. We do have those longs above us. Again, naked point of control is at 17.3, and then it looks like there's a little pool of liquidity just above that here at 17.6. If we switch over to our smaller time frame liquidation levels that are individualized, this defines what I meant by being in no man's land. There's just no liquidity in our immediate area. The first pocket of longs, as mentioned, is right at that 16.3K area. And if we look to our top side, we've got this one pool here right at about 17K to sweep our most immediate shorts. And that could possibly drive us up if we do get some spot volume to that naked point of control at about 17.3. Anything above that is that weekly level that we saw, that's around 17.6. Even if we did sweep that afterwards, the liquidity really thins out. So again, without much spot volume to drive this price a lot higher and demand to be driving us higher, it's looking like that could just be, again, like I mentioned, a liquidity grab, and then this could easily flip over to the downside. I will be streaming tonight at 7 p.m. Central Time in the Elevate Discord to go over this and more in more detail. So make sure you get in with the link below. And until then, happy trading.